Some of these changes are already being piloted in certain states. They will see massive nationwide expansion or rollout in new regions. Whether you drive for work, for pleasure, or just for essentials, these rules will impact you directly. There are no exemptions. Stay with me. The information I'm about to share could prevent costly citations, multi-year insurance premium hikes, and legal entanglements with long-term consequences. This is a necessary briefing for financial and legal protection. Welcome. On this channel, we analyze the laws and policy shifts that genuinely affect your daily life and finances. We provide clear, actionable information. Today we are focusing on 7 transformative driving law changes arriving in January 2026. Change number 1. The nationwide hands-free crackdown. While many states already have hands-free laws, January 2026 marks a severe intensification. Dozens of states are introducing new laws or drastically strengthening existing ones, with penalties becoming far more severe. First offense fines in many areas are jumping to the $200–500 range. Second offenses can reach $1,000, plus license points that trigger insurance reviews. In states like California and New York, repeat violations could lead to mandatory and expensive driver education courses, community service, or even license suspension. Critically, the definition of use is expanding. Simply holding your phone, even at a complete stop, is becoming a violation in most jurisdictions. Scrolling, manual GPS input, or holding the phone to your ear are all actionable offenses. The only safe approach: use a secure dashboard mount and voice commands exclusively. If you must interact with your phone, pull over safely and put the vehicle in park. Change number 2. The automated enforcement boom. Speed and red light cameras are proliferating at an unprecedented rate. States like Illinois, Florida, Texas, and Arizona are activating hundreds of new units. Simultaneously, enforcement tolerances are shrinking. The trigger threshold for speed cameras is dropping in many areas to just 5–6 mph over the limit. The grace period for red light cameras is being reduced or eliminated. If your front bumper crosses the line after the light turns red, you will likely be fined. These are typically civil violations, which often means no points, but insurers are increasingly factoring them into premium calculations. Ignoring these tickets can lead to late fees, collections actions, and registration blocks. Protect yourself. Obey speed limits meticulously, stop decisively on yellow, and use navigation apps that provide camera location alerts. Change number 3. Lower DUI limits and harsher penalties. The legal blood alcohol concentration (BAC) limit is falling in several states. Following Utah's lead, states like Washington, Oregon, and Colorado are moving toward a 0.05% limit.